In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if a website has Google Analytics 4 installed. We'll do this using a free Chrome extension called Tag Assistant, which scans a page and shows you which Google tags are present. This is a quick, reliable way to confirm whether GA4 is active without digging into code. Start by heading to the Chrome Web Store in a Chrome browser window. You can get there directly or by searching for Chrome Web Store in your address bar. Once you're on the store page, use the search box to look up Tag Assistant. You're looking for the official Tag Assistant extension from Google. It helps validate and report on tags like Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. When you find it, click Add to Chrome. Confirm by selecting Add Extension when prompted. Chrome will install it in just a moment. After it's installed, it's helpful to pin the extension so it's easy to access. Click the puzzle piece icon at the top right of Chrome. Find Tag Assistant in the list, and click the pin icon. You should now see the Tag Assistant icon on your toolbar. Next, open a new tab and go to the website you want to check. For best practice, use a site you own or have permission to audit. Let the page load completely, since some tags fire after the initial load. If the site has heavy content or scripts, give it an extra second to settle. Click the Tag Assistant icon in your toolbar. The extension will scan the current page and display any detected tags. If the panel looks empty at first, refresh the page and click the icon again to prompt a fresh scan. In the Tag Assistant panel, scroll through the results. You're looking for an entry that indicates Google Analytics 4. This may appear as Google Analytics with a measurement ID that starts with GE, such as GXXXXXXXX. That G format is the hallmark of GA4. If you only see an older Universal Analytics ID that starts with UAA, then GA4 is not installed. If you see both a GPAR ID and a UATARS ID, the site is running GA4 alongside Universal Analytics. If results seem inconsistent, try temporarily disabling ad blockers for that site, or use an incognito window with the extension allowed. Some privacy tools can block analytics from loading, which can hide tags from Tag Assistant's view. That's all it takes. By installing Tag Assistant, pinning it, opening the site, clicking the extension, and scrolling through the detected tags, you can quickly confirm whether GA4 is installed. Thanks for watching and happy auditing.